Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing fantasy scenes in Photoshop. So let's begin our tutorial. First we are going to take a new document, so just click on file, then click on new. You can choose your own document or you can just adjust the size, and you can also adjust the width and height. It is depend on you totally, but make resolution 300. This one is very important. Then just click on create button. So your document is ready. Our next work, we just place some images. For example, this is our sky image. I'm going to put this one first, so just select this one and simply place this one. Okay, zoom out your document by pressing Ctrl minus and adjust the size of sky image. So this one is perfect. Okay, our next work, we just place this desert image. So first we are going to select this one by using quick selection tool. Simply just select this one. A mask layer, zoom your work document and simply apply this area. So just apply this, that's remove this line, make foreground color black and remove it. So this one is done. Next we take this image, so select this time rectangle marquee tool, select this one, so now our next work, we just change the color of this one. So our first work, we just merge the complete layer, just merge it, and then we are going to change the color of this layer. So just go to hue saturation and create clipping mask and just colorized. Sorry. So we just adjust the color now. So for color adjustment we are using camera raw filter. Then first we just merge the complete layer into a one layer. So just hold shift Ctrl Alt plus E, then press E, then make this one as a smart object. So this one is converted into a smart object. Then go to filter and camera raw and adjust it. So our work is completed. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you and see you soon with a new tutorial. Goodbye.